Security Council is here to stay. But if you're a victim of P5 or if you're protected by P5, Israel and Iran, nothing is going to happen. And Tibetans, I'm Tibetan, Uyghurs and Hong Kongs, nothing is going to happen. Now you say then we should go to regional side, right? Uyghurs, mosques are destroyed. But for Arab countries, they don't vote for the Uyghurs, right? So regional aspect is also nothing's going to happen. So even if you expand the Security Council, even if you expand the council, if there's a veto power, if you're a victim of the P5 or Security Council, nothing's going to happen. How do you reform that?
Take that, guys. Carlos, do you want to start?
About China, I think China used the soft power and the sharp power to take control of the multilateral institutions, and right now they instrumentalize this institution to their own objectives, and it's a risk for the democracy and the security around the world. It's an issue. You can see, for example, in the UN Agency for Health, they blocked Taiwan to advertise the rest of the world about the COVID-19. So it's the kind of action that China developed in the multilateral system.
With reform of the Security Council, I'm not even questioning it, but you've just put your finger on the core that will also destroy the attempt to reform, which is the veto. What binds the P5? They will rally behind the veto. They're not going to give that up for anything, and that I think is the real challenge and makes reform very difficult to get with. I will just say one more thing. China has been a beneficiary of the security of the United Nations, so has Russia as well. It doesn't want to necessarily give it up, but again, it wants to bend it to its will and to do what it wants it to do, and it will continue to do that, as will the P5, all the P5 countries as well.
Leslie, you're going to have to come back next.
30 seconds.
Go on.
The resolution to the question of China, if you see it as a problem that China is trying to embed its norms, which are sometimes, some people would argue often, illiberal in the UN system, the solution is to keep the US in a productive way, and to keep Europe in, and to keep the major liberal democracies in, not to push China out. It's to make sure that the distribution of normative power leans towards the values that we most care about and that were foundational to the United Nations.